On this episode or video of the Drunken Turbo, start the rear crossmember. The reason why the ratchet strap is there, because I was walking that frame rail in, raised up a bit. So that's my fix. 4x4 and jack and ratchet strap, put it right back into place. Stay tuned. Time to put that rear crossmember in. So in the back here, get the spur crossmember. You can see I got a bunch of holes laid out, silver lines across there showing where the middle is, a bunch of holes drilled, some misdrilled, whatever. All right, that was, pretty easy to do. What I'll do is clamp the rear crossmember into place, line it up, trace the outline of where the frame rails come into on the where the trunk straps go. Same thing on the back there where the frame rails come in the back. Transfer that, drew some lines, back drill through the face of it, going aft, going forward, and voila, we have one located crossmember. But I still need to clean up the flanges, paint them with some weld-through primer, and then also I got to drill a bunch of more holes through this guy, where it goes underneath, up into the trunk floor. Yeah, it doesn't fit perfect over here on this side here. It kind of bends down on the car. It is what it is. But I can clamp it into place and then do some welding. All right, let me lay out some holes and or drill some holes, and then we'll get to clean this up and get ready to weld in. Good. Ready to spray some of this primer, weld-through primer on here. Pull that clean up underneath here, pull up underneath there. Crust where it's going to get welded, and some of the spots on there. I'm going to do the same trick as I did before with the 1/4 inch bit. Drill through a little bit, hit it with the weld. All right, here's the good spraying. is all cleaned up, ready to go for some paint. But first, I've heard nothing good things about the spray away glass cleaner. Basically leaves no residue. So instead of spending all that money on Eastwood's prep or the free cleaner and have to run out there or order it, I get this from Depot. It's 5 minutes down the road. So give it a whirl. Cool. All right, works good enough for what I'm gonna do. Alright, let that dry for a good bit, and probably going to weld in the frame brackets. We're finally going to weld these frame brackets in. Goes the same thing I did with the trunk pan. 1/4 inch bit, take the cleat out, drill down so far, fill it in with weld. Held it in the other side. Alright, Crossmember time. I'm grinding, a little bit of a DA with the air DA I have, the little 3-inch guy. Cleaned up where the tail panel is going to mate to, and got everything welded. I mean, some of the welds look freaking horrible, but what can you expect? I'm not a pro welder. I'm just a moron in a garage that has half a clue. Alright, not really half a clue. I got maybe like a 1/4 of a clue. Alright, I know some of the guys probably will notice, like, wait, but Kev, the brackets there, the holes are off. Well, yeah, that's fine. I don't care, because this seems to be when the tail panel lines up, it lines up with the trunk pan. I can always grind down a little bit if I need to do alignment holes. Yeah, all right, so time to put the tail pan in and see how that looks. Yeah, it's more better. Yeah, they actually line up. All the holes line up. Looks pretty good. All right, I think that's gonna be it. But I had to know, so I pulled the rear bumper out, and it's not on there all the way because I got those 10 bolts in there, and for the bumper bolts go. So the bumper bolt brackets. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, shit still fits. And it literally bolted right back on. All the holes lined up for the bracket there in the middle. Once I pried everything down into place, it bolted right back into there. And same thing with the outer ones. Yeah, that means we're going in the right direction here. But I'm still thinking I may go do another ghetto setup like that for this side. I got some extra wood and stuff. I'll build a little brace and snug it up in there. And that way I can have two straps holding it down into place. All right, I guess take it apart and locate some holes. The moment of truth. Let's take those bolts out and see if this stays in place. Hopefully it does. I'm pretty sure it will. Nice. Cool. Let's retry that bumper again and see how that works. Cool. Fits pretty much exactly as it did beforehand. Like crap. And we got a problem right here. The rear crossmember is bending this out a little bit, so I'm probably going to have to trim off a good bit of that to clear the panel here, or just actually I just may slice it and weld it back together. But overall, everything fits. Gaps look pretty good underneath here. Looks fine up here. It's not rubbing anywhere. Looks good there. Got about a finger width there. Same there. Cool. All right. Till next video, I'll be taking this all apart. I'm gonna order some copper spray probably tomorrow and get that all in order and go weld this thing on. All right. Thanks for watching.